Now I'm going to display the right hand. And actually, once you master the jab, the right hand is very important, especially if you're a right-handed fighter, because the right hand is your power punch and it follows the jab. And that's actually, hopefully, your knockout punch. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Right hand, just like the jab. Same motion, rotation, but bring the right hand straight, turn it down just a little bit. That's where the power comes from. The power and the snap comes from here. Twisting your wrist right at the end. And here, placing of your feet is the same. Actually, just bring your foot up just a little bit. Bring your right leg up just a little bit. You're on the ball of your back toe when you're throwing that right hand. Same thing even when you're backing up. See, that turn is most important. That's where the power comes from. Here. Feel that little snap. Okay, this is actually how the jab in the right hand works. The jab comes out, it comes back. The right hand releases, comes back. The one thing that you always want to do as a fighter is, which I like to call protecting the house. This is your home, and once you do this, once you take both your hands off your face, you're violated. You can be violated because there's no one home to protect. There's no one there to protect the home. So basically, it's most important that anytime this hand goes, this one comes back. Always, always, always. Never both hands down at the same time because you're vulnerable and you're wide open. Right now I have Wendell Payne Jr., one of my top amateur fighters, who's actually going to display how the right hand should be delivered. You're gonna start here. First we'll do it off the jab. Right hand behind it. That's right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Give me. Here. No, right hand. Turn over. That's it. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Now, actually, I'm going to show you the importance of getting that right hand back after you release it. Well, the one thing was I was trying to display the importance of getting the right hand back after it's delivered, because anytime you throw the right hand, you're open for a left hook. So you got to bring your hand right back, and if you bring it right back on natural instinct, you won't get caught without even having to think about it, because your hand will be there.